Konnichiwa, we're here in Japan at an incredibly rare time. I can't believe we timed this. Doesn't even happen annually. An animal has just gone viral. I'm talking Mudang level.
Punchyくんです.
Punch the monkey.
Parler de punch.
Punch.
Willy the Punch.
Pancho.
Poor Punch.
Punch the monkey, and we happen to be here. I've always wondered what is it like to experience such a rare phenomena. Ichikawa. We're at the Ichikawa City Zoo, where Punch the monkey just happens to be. Woo! So the train we're on is incredibly empty, which means one of two things. This viral animal is already past its peak, or we're on the wrong train. So it is Friday, February 27th, about 7 days since Punchy Monkey went viral. The train continues to be very empty. We're one stop away. I thought this would be filled full of people, but it's currently just us. Well, this is a sensation I'm quite familiar with, getting off at an empty stop and the train pulls away and you realize you might be at the wrong place. I was certainly expecting more cameras, just more people in general. So it is empty here. So we found two very cute Japanese couples walking, presumably the 20-minute walk to see Punch the monkey. So far our only signs, I mean, this is actually very funny. We're just, look at this, like, absolute vibe, and kind of funny to just take a train, I don't know, 45 minutes an hour outside of Tokyo to just wherever we are. Very beautiful. We genuinely thought like CNN, all news outlets would be here. And as you can tell, granted we were walking, but it's only a mile. There's not a lot of cabs around here. We'll see. We could turn a corner and it could be Disneyland, you know? Honestly, after being in Tokyo, it's kind of relaxing. Not a lot of restaurants that we've come across so far. This is actually just a nice, pleasant stroll. If anything, very wide sidewalks, newly paved roads. All right, wow, look at this. Perhaps cherry blossoms, and maybe perhaps like Punch, the cherry has already blossomed and everyone has left the festival. Punch is, this feels like a good place to walk, but this could say Punch. It's impossible for us to know. I mean, absolutely beautiful, whatever we're doing. Granted, pretty much everywhere in Japan we've been is very nice, gotta say. Oh. Here we are. Unknown distance. Hopefully the zoo with Punch the monkey. Still just us and that one couple. They went down this way. We're just following. We rode a train and now we're just slowly following a couple from a distance. Beautiful little hike, just an hour outside of Tokyo. Grandma's house. Shrine. I think it might be saying don't throw rocks at birds. Sometimes pictures, you don't need language when you have great art. We all know what that means. I mean, regardless, this is an extremely chill train ride, and then you get this is a lovely little walk along this swamp or whatever. This is kind of the most peaceful we've been in the entire city. I guess we're not technically in the city. Oh my God, is that a baby platypus? Let's look, we're looking for critters no matter what. Still, I mean, incredibly empty, but it's starting to pick up a little.
We could be headed the correct direction. Finally.
I think I'm just hearing crowds finally.
We've arrived. We gotta get in line. We're gonna be in it for a while.
I think we're at the right place. All right, it is 12:22 on Friday. We're at the first line to get in. All right, so 12:34. What is that, 12 minutes in line? Nothing. I do think there's probably a giant line ahead to see Punch, but anytime I say Punch, everybody kind of gives a little smile. So we're excited.
I have no idea which one it is.
It's the one where there's going to be 8 million people.
Monkey Mountain.
Monkey Mountain. Behind us, you can see there's a... Cassidy's like, where is he? It's like, I think you can guess. We're gonna check out everything though. It's been a very peaceful day so far. Even here, Japan's so peaceful even in crowds, you know? Cassidy's really excited. The monkeys have to be like, it was so normal and now it's all crazy. I mean, it's like a sitcom in a rural town, and then this happens. That could be him. Is that Punchy, you think? Kind of the funniest part, without a stuffed animal, no one knows.
People are just filming every monkey.
Yeah, everybody's just filming monkeys, being like, is this him? That's definitely a baby monkey. Let's see if these guys are mean to him or not. I mean, if there is a benefit of
Tall person?
looking for a Punchy. It's about what we expected, to be honest. But maybe you can like Inception and see through 3 phone screens in front of us to see him. It's so funny that they're monkeys, you know, and like we're monkeys. It's just like monkeys looking at monkeys. Everybody right now just waiting for Punchy. We've not seen Punch, but we've heard he does. I saw somebody's picture of Punch, so just as good, right? People are like body checking. Fortunately, I've been in a few mosh pits, so no problem. But for Japan, that's pretty crazy. We're gonna come back later and continue to look for Punchy. We're gonna see what else this beautiful zoo has to offer. All right, where should we go? Got him. Got it. There's definitely something about celebrity culture, some kind of, you know, phenomena that could be said here. It's absolutely, when he comes out, it gets dead silent. You only hear it clicking and the zooming in. A very unique experience. There's an undertone that I can't quite explain. And again, we're just here at a random time on a day, maybe 7 days after. I can imagine it was been even crazier. The real story is just like this little rural town. We're gonna go look at other animals some more. Obsessed with the music right now. Finally riding the bullet train. I've always wanted to come to Japan and ride a bullet train, and I'm finally fulfilling that dream. This fucking rocks, dude. Come for a punch, stay for the train ride. Rail crossing. Hell yeah, dude. This is what it's all about. Absolute. This is the Japan experience I came for. Whee! We timed this. Not only are we seeing beautiful blossoms, but we timed it with the rarest event, seeing a new viral animal, which it's an amazing experience. We love Japan. Oh! Whee! Oh my God, this is genuinely beautiful. Look, we have bamboo on this side, blossoms on this side. Like, this is what it's all about, guys. Absolutely, this is travel 101. You come to Japan, you ride the trains. They always say it, and that's what I'm saying. Amazing. Oh, you all cute. Wow, that's so sad. I actually could cry.
This is cuter than Punch.
Yeah, well, you just said cuter than Punch.
Oh, it's hot. This is hot.
Scalding hot chocolate milkaroo. I'm gonna get rich milky tea. No, it says cold, look. It says hot or cold. Vending machine break. Absolute iconic Japan. We're having like a nice little, I don't know if this is rural considered, but it's nice. It's actually a nice zoo. So the number one tourist thing is to just take pictures of like sewer grates and garbage cans, you know, and that's, but come on, how can you pass that up? That's beautiful. This music? Well, we're going over here. That's like literally like Animal Crossing. Japan. It was only $2.83 US to enter, so I can imagine the ticket prices going up a little bit as time goes on. Our train ride here was $1.20, something around that. So something about his cuteness, being you can only identify him by the stuffed animal, that really does add like a child star, Macaulay Culkin kind of a thing to it. This is, sorry, I love this old man. That's the vibe. That's the actual vibe of this place. I'm telling you, just because we're from Montana, it's like, there's a vibe here that definitely feels a little more peaceful. It's been really nice to just get out of the city. What's this guy doing? Got the second, two punches left. I think we know it was on this shelf. It's gotta say sold out. Red pandas, monkeys. Exit through the gift shop. We're gonna do a food review, but they said sold out. So we'll be just subsisting off of vending machine drinks. I'm just gonna drink a lot of milk all day and some ice cream. And well, we'll survive somehow or another. But sold out of all monkeys. We found one, sold out of all monkeys. It is 2:25 p.m., sold out of all food. We assume so. We'd gotten 2 different lines and got kicked out of both, so. Oh my God, all the ice cream is sold out. Every single one. The only one left was this one that looks like a drink. It's like a college mixed drink, like Smirnoff Ice. That's the only thing left in the entire vending machine. Guys, things have taken a turn for the worse. There's not even any ice cream, just this blue drink. No food. I'm just gonna drink milk and this blue thing. I'm actually getting kind of scared that we're not gonna make it out of here alive. My phone's almost dead too from trying to zoom in on Punchy and so hard. I don't even know what to say. God willing, we make it out of here alive. I can't even open this. It's literally just ice. Food review. Hey guys, food review from viral Punchy the Monkey food review. Cafe is completely sold out of food. Vending machine only had ice, blue ice. So I'm gonna try to survive on blue ice. I mean, it is 2:30. We haven't even had breakfast. It's gonna be a long day. We're gonna have a meltdown eventually. The Punchy weird vibes can only keep you flying high for so long. Guys, the phone's at 11%. I'm almost done with my ice. It's like 2:30. Who knows how long? I don't even know if we're ever gonna find our way back home. We have to go through the forest, and then it's been a very relaxing day. But the food's wearing. There is no food. There's just blue ice, and it's like I hope we make it out. You know, I'm gonna try to buy some more milk from a vending machine, and just hopefully that keeps us going. It looked pretty hard to win, but that one. Just proof after how an epic night I had in Shibuya. Piece of honestly, I can't win that. I can win this, so. Come on, blue ice. God, oh, legend. Here you go. Thank you. Yeah. Oh my God, it says emo. His name's Emo. Oh yeah. Oh, oi! You got this. Here, we believe in you. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh shit. I'll try for you. I'll get it for you. All right. Precision. Oi! Sorry. Guys, I'm not saying that I'm the crane game master, but if you'd seen the night in Shibuya that I had, only 10 coins.
It's got a
And
jar.
then this, oh, I got some blue ice on me. I'm starting to feel as the wheels are gonna come off any minute now, is all I'm trying to say. These are all things I would have eaten. Any of these could have been delicious. This looks incredible. But it just means whatever we do end up eating tonight is gonna taste that much more amazing, because I've been on a, I guess like 24-hour fast at this point. But I saw Punchy the monkey and I won Emo the otter, and I just drank my 17 ice and I'm feeling nice. And I found a garbage can, so.
A little emo, we can make the monkey hold the baby.
That's the line at 2:37. That blue ice has me feeling insane. I don't know if it was caffeinated, alcohol, just the bottom button on the vending machine at the kids museum is, but I'm feeling like ready to go again. I'm ready to go mosh my way to the front of Punchy again, dude. I don't know if I got any clips, but at least I thought I got a clip of this grandma like barging out. It was like she's being birthed out of a sea of people. It was intense in there, but you gotta Punchy your way through the mosh pit if you wanna see Punchy, you know? Oh, nice mosaic. So cute. I like this zoo. This zoo is so, it reminds me of Montana. Guys, I don't think we're gonna get to the baby pigs and a few things. We've been here forever. There's no food. We didn't eat breakfast. We're like, it'll be fine, we'll get lunch there. And then we saw the town, I'm like, I don't even know if there's a restaurant in this town. We gotta hike through the Swamp of Sorrows again. Like, I'm about to go just milk that cow. I do love the cow exhibit. And it is, as someone from Montana, it is a beautiful cow. Absolutely big old cow. So good job, Japan. I mean, as far as exhibits for a cow can go, not bad. I gotta get this lens. Look at the lens on that guy's camera, dude. Just doing a speed run of the birds. They're birds. I'm starting to tank. The blue ice, the 17 blue ice is wearing off, and it wore off quickly. I opted not to go to the petting zoo because I'm starting to get so hungry that I might eat them. All right, we're officially leaving the zoo. It is 2:45. They close at 4. There's the line. It literally is a sitcom, guys. It's like pretty sure it's like a Matt Damon movie or something. Just a little cutesy town, basically Animal Crossing in real life. And then something happens and the town is swarmed, sold out of food. But we had a lovely day, a perfect escape from the city that was much needed. %. 3%, guys. I don't know what time it is. So I'm using my last bit of my phone to record this. So if you find this, just tell Punchy the monkey I love him. Oh God, where are we? My phone's dead. I don't know how long we've been out here. This is the main door. The guy literally just left the gate. We've made it back to the abandoned train station. I think I found some food. Everything else is drink.
It's corn soup.
Corn soup. Oh, it's hot. I got a can of hot corn soup. I'm gonna make it out of here, guys. Oh, wow, that is actually delicious.
Ew.
I'm gonna go over there and just drink my hot corn soup. It's been a long day of my life, but I think we're gonna make it out of here alive. Thank you to my hot corn soup. You know, we were deep in Japan when you couldn't even find a 7-Eleven. All the vending machines everywhere is still just drinks, but I got my hot corn soup. I'm gonna be okay. 39 calories, so I guess it's not gonna keep me up for too long. Absolutely crush this can of hot corn soup. Still have no answers as to how anybody got here, because I thought, based on how many were there, there's no one at the train station. So I don't know what route we've taken to get to where we've been today, but it clearly is not, considering Tokyo is just not that far. There's so many questions that will just be unanswered. Hot corn soup, hot corn soup, waiting at the train station, hot corn soup. Hot corn soup, waiting at the train station, hot corn soup.
Hot corn soup. Hot corn soup. Waiting at the train station. Hot corn soup. Hot corn soup. Waiting at the train station. Hot corn soup. Hot corn soup. Hot corn soup. Waiting at the train station. Hot corn soup.
We're gonna make it, Punchy.
Corn soup. Hot corn soup. Waiting at the train
What a
station.
day.